Hey y'all, so look, y'all already know where we live, and we live within our spiritual calling. And nature comes and nature goes, but they do come every day. Y'all look at this peaceful nature repair right here.
They've been up here all day.
My husband say they been here all day, just walking around. Let me go down a little bit. Hey, friend.
Look at him.
Oh, look at that head. Honey, they doing the Michael Jackson, baby. They fight.
Both of them go.
Yeah, when one both go. But baby, I think they know. Baby, it's dark out here. I'm coming outside now. But y'all, to me stinker. Y'all seen it? Y'all see how gray it is? It's about to rain. And usually they come and just nest right here. Just because we just got that good feeling type of shit going on. I'm just saying. Y'all, we love nature. I create a space for them. All right.